Hey guys, got a Sony TV here, and the Play Store is not working. So what you're going to want to do is go to the Home button, and you're going to want to go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, you're going to want to go to Apps. Then you can go to the Google Play Store. What you're going to want to do is stop it, clear the cache, and clear the data. What this does is basically any holdups, or if you're trying to download or install and it's not working, now when you go in, click install, you'll see here that it's got to verify. Before, when we did this, it would not work. It just sat here for 5 minutes. There we go, we're at 87%. Installing, and you're good to go. Hope this helps, guys. Like and subscribe.